Today is Tuesday, July 7th, 2026, and this is Sliced. Gordian strategies in Terraformation collaborate to unlock climate finance and carbon market opportunities at scale. We are pleased to announce a new strategic relationship with Terraformation, a global reforestation developer with active projects spanning Ghana, Colombia, Cameroon, and beyond. Gordian Strategies is serving as an embedded advisor to Terraformation, providing senior-level expertise across carbon market participation, capital formation, deal structuring, and project portfolio strategy. Founded in 2018 by CEO Sean Penrith, who brings over 2 decades of experience designing and deploying innovative climate finance and carbon market structures, GKS has served clients in over 13 countries across 5 continents and helped catalyze more than $1.6 billion in climate investment to date. The firm partners with governments, multilateral institutions, philanthropies, corporations, nonprofits, and developers as a trusted architect of next-generation climate finance vehicles, including appointments as International Capital Mobilization Partner to Liberia's Carbon Markets Authority and strategic advisor to organizations such as Delta Airlines, the American Forest Foundation, the U.S. Endowment for Forestry and Communities, ENGIE, and Vale-based metals. GKS's work now spans the full commercial lifecycle for nature-based carbon solutions. This includes carbon business planning, financial modeling and pricing frameworks, to emission reduction purchase agreements and contract design, investor-grade deal documentation, portfolio risk assessment, and commercialization strategies that connect projects directly with leading impact investors, financial institutions, and carbon credit purchasers. In partnership with innovators like Terraformation, GKS is helping to chart the market architecture, capital structures, and buyer offtake models required to scale high-integrity reforestation and restoration globally. Terraformation has built one of the most powerful, vertically integrated forest restoration platforms in the world, managing the full development lifecycle from local partner engagement and seed banking to certified carbon credit issuance. With over 30,000 hectares of active projects and 100,000 hectares under development, the organization is positioned to become a leading supplier of high-integrity removal credits as corporate and compliance demand accelerates. The partnership with GKS is designed to translate that pipeline into bankable commercial and financing structures. Sean Penrith, the CEO of Gordian Strategies, says, Terraformation is assembling genuine end-to-end capability in one of the most demanding segments of the nature-based solutions market. Our role is to ensure that operational excellence translates into commercial and financial outcomes commensurate with the scale of their vision. We do not advise from the outside. We work inside the organization as an integrated part of the team. The engagement spans multiple integrated areas of work with a focus on near-term commercial priorities as well as the longer-term financing architecture required to sustain Terraformation's global restoration mission. Jad Daly, the president at Terraformation, says, "We are at an inflection point where the quality and scale of our project portfolio demands a commercialization and financing architecture that matches the growing need for trusted carbon credits that deliver for nature, climate, and communities." GKS brings precisely the depth of market knowledge, deal experience, and network that we need to move decisively in this market. The voluntary carbon market is increasingly rewarding project developers able to demonstrate integrity, additionality, and credible delivery. Terraformation's pipeline of biodiversity-rich, Vera VM33 and VM47 restoration projects with 40-plus year crediting periods and continuous ecological monitoring via its proprietary TerraWare platform positions the organization to meet the rising bar corporate and institutional buyers are setting for high-quality carbon removal. About Terraformation. Terraformation supports large-scale native forest restoration to stabilize the climate, boost biodiversity, and create long-term economic opportunity for local communities. Through training, technology, and access to capital, Terraformation equips forestry teams to deliver high-integrity reforestation outcomes worldwide. Learn more at terraformation.com. About Gordian Strategies. Gordian Strategies is a specialist climate finance advisory firm focused on carbon asset management, carbon offtake structuring, capital development and deployment, and nature-based solutions project direction. With 2 decades of experience across 5 continents, GKS has served governments, multilateral institutions, philanthropies, corporations, nonprofits, and developers at the frontier of climate finance. Learn more at GordianStrategies.com.